Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share a very small stamp haul that I ordered from Not2Shabby shop. I will post a link below this video so you can head on over and check it out. And every time I get one of these pink little envelopes in the mail, I know it's hers and I get so excited. So let's pull them out. And oh yay! I got a rewards program coupon. Look at her business card. Isn't that so cute? I love her stuff. So I placed the order. It came super fast. I'm always pleased. And a lot of you know that I love the Darcy's Heart and Home stamp sets. And I think this one was actually on sale when I bought it. But I love the heart. And then there's this banner piece here that you can stamp Get Well, Sympathy, Mom, Best with Soon, and then all these beautiful flowers. You can color them up. And you can pretty much write your own sentiment in there if you wanted to. So I love this stamp set. It's called Heart Floral Banner. And then I got another one of the Darcy's. He's so stinking cute. This little frog with the bee in a flower pot. It says hello honey. Then there's a little flower here with a bee, and then on this side it's sweet as can be. These are such cute stamp sets. I absolutely love it. And then Jamie has designed her own stamp sets from some of the digi she drew and things like that. So this is one of her stamp sets that I just had to have. I love the pumpkin with the coffee cups, travel cups, and then the leaves. So cute. And then down here, little cupcake. These images are so sweet, Jamie. It says coffee is always better with a friend. Pumpkin spice everything. Warm hugs. Thanks a latte. And then stay cozy. I love this stamp set, and I cannot wait to play with it. This is so stinking cute. I love it. And then the next one I ordered is from Whimsy Stamps. I thought these gingerbread houses were so sweet. Then it comes with a heart, snowflakes, a little tree. It says from our house to yours, greetings, home sweet warm, holiday wishes, and then gingerbread. I thought these would look so cute on tags and cards, and maybe some treat boxes too. So those are the stamps that I purchased, and I just cannot wait to play around with them. And then I also ordered more of her digis. I love her digis. These are the ones that she draws out, and you can get the I don't remember if they come in JPEG or I forget what else you call them, but you can print them out on your computer. And I got the snowman holding the little ornaments with a bird. And my hubby was kind enough to size them so I could print 4 out on a sheet. So I got that digi. And then I got her fox by the birch trees. So stinking cute. So I cannot wait to play around with these and make some projects. And I just wanted to share that with you because I think her artwork is amazing, and I love her stamps and her customer service. Everything about ordering from her is spectacular. So I will post a link below, and if you want to head on over and check it out, because I've had a lot of you ask me, oh, where'd you get that stamp set or this stamp set? And so I just thought I'd let you know. Thanks for watching. Take care and happy crafting.